Yes, student. Now again, how can we obtain different gases from air? Okay, student, you know that air is a homogeneous mixture of different type of gases like nitrogen gas, oxygen gas, carbon dioxide gas, and neon gas, or we are calling what? Inert gases. It consists many of the gas, argon, krypton, xenon, etc. Okay. Now, how can we separate all these gases? So again, I told you, if there are more than two type of component present in mixture, then we have to utilize which technique? This is what? Fractional distillation. So again, we will utilize the fractional distillation technique to separate the different component of gases present in the air. For this, what we have to do? The method is that very first we will collect normal atmospheric air in a big chamber, in a very big chamber, and in this big chamber now we will compress this air by increasing very high pressure. Along with, we will decrease the temperature at very low, that is very low temperature. When we apply this process, you know, in the states of matter, if we apply high pressure by decreasing low, that is at low temperature, the gases can be converted into liquid state because their molecules will come close. So if their molecule will come close, now the air is actually what? Gas will now convert into liquid. Now that is called liquefied air. You can simply call it what? Liquefied air or liquefied gases. Now what we have to do? These liquefied gases is now filled in fractional distillation chamber. Now there is a column or fractional distillation chamber where we will fill all these gases, and then we will increase temperature. As we will increase temperature, the gas whose boiling point is very low, or say lowest, will now again convert into gas. Now earlier the temperature were very low, but when we increase the temperature on the fractional distillation chamber, the gas whose temperature is boiling temperature or boiling point is low will convert into vapor, and this vapor will collect in the upper chamber, that is the upper height, whose boiling point is little more require what? Different temperature, and at different height they are getting collected or separated. Now there is some particular knowledge point. What is that? Oxygen, argon, and nitrogen. Let the air consist all these things: oxygen, argon, and nitrogen, and their boiling points are, say, oxygen boiling point is -183 degrees Celsius, argon is -186 degrees Celsius, and nitrogen is -196 degrees Celsius. So the highest boiling point here is of what? Oxygen. Getting? So the oxygen will separate out in last, and the lowest boiling point is of what? Nitrogen. So very first the nitrogen will convert into what? Gas, and will be collected on increasing the temperature on fractional distillation column or fractional distillation chamber. Later on we can get what? Argon, and in the last we can get what? Oxygen, because its boiling point is very high as compared to boiling point of nitrogen and argon. So in this manner we can collect different type of gases.